Welcome back. It's the biggest night in Hollywood. The 84th annual Oscars are set for tomorrow night, but many of the stars headed to the awards show may not know the history behind the show's venue, the Hollywood and Highland Center, formerly known as the Kodak Theater.
Yes, KRCR News Channel 7's Shay Arthur met with a North State woman who played an intricate role in building the theater. Here's her report.
You think Oscars, you think glitz.
What design are you wearing?
Ali Sao.
You think glamour.
And the Oscar goes to...
It all takes place at the Kodak Theater, a building Sarah Creighton knows all too well.
It's exciting. It was an exciting project because you knew what it was going to be and that a lot of people would see it at the end.
Creighton was one of 3 project managers for the Hollywood and Highland project, home to the Kodak Theater.
Hundreds and hundreds of people there every day working on the site, and we alone had probably 50 people in our office just trying to manage the construction of the site.
The theater was part of the $651 million shopping center built back in 2001. It's over 179,000 square feet in size. That's more than 9 times the size of the Cascade Theater in Reading. Inside, it's old Hollywood at its best. After walking the red carpet, 3,600 guests are greeted by a 5-story lobby centered around a spiral staircase accented with bold colors, cherry wood finish, and silver leaf accents on the walls. Creighton, who handled finances on the project and worked with more than 100 different companies of designers, architects, and engineers, says its sheer size made for an Oscar-worthy challenge.
It was tough. It was a tough project. It was a tough project. There was a lot of changes. There was a lot of design, to make sure it was just right for what they needed.
And every year, while she may not get to walk the red carpet, Creighton takes a walk down memory lane on Oscar night.
It's exciting to watch and see and know that you were there and you were in, behind the scenes and in the detail.
Creighton and her team did get to go back to the Kodak Theater last November for its 10-year anniversary. She tells me she was surprised by how much had not changed. Shay Arthur, KRCR News Channel 7.
And don't forget to tune in tomorrow. You can watch the red carpet arrivals starting at 4, then the Oscar Awards show starting at 5:30. And afterward, we'll have a very special Oscars edition of KRCR News Channel 7. You won't want to miss it. All right, Rob, so what are we looking at tomorrow?
I actually think some clouds are going to be increasing throughout the afternoon. We saw lots of sunshine today. Probably